Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vinita. If you're new here, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any of my videos. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the second part of the sofa makeover. All the things which are available online, I will link it down in the description box. You can check that out. So without further ado, let's get started. After completing the cushion seat, I've chosen this blue color fabric for this sofa chair. The first thing I am doing here is taking all the measurements of this chair. Once done, I will mark it on the fabric and then will cut this into pieces. Also, I will cut the fabric half inch extra for seam allowance. This is a cotton cord for piping. I wanted to give a new look, so I will be adding this piping also, but this is optional. For that, I am cutting this fabric strip. Now let's stitch all together. For piping, I have already attached the zipper foot to my sewing machine. To make the piping, I will place the cord in the middle of the fabric and fold it into half. Then start stitching by keeping the piping onto the left side. I'm marking at 6 inches on the piping. Then I'm gonna start stitching this piping and the fabric from the marked points, keeping both the edges together. Then I will stitch the sides by placing the fabric on the top of the stitched fabric. The face of the fabric should be downwards and then start stitching, keeping the edges together. Once done, I will stitch the leftover piping on the sides like this. In last, I will stitch the back part of the seat. Now it's time to fix the cover using this staple gun. I'm also attaching this piping in the side corner as well to give it a box cushion look. So that was the second part. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next part. Stay tuned, take care, and bye bye.